Okay guys, so I got this Y pipe. It's a 370Z Y pipe. I'm gonna try to test fit it with this pipe that belongs to a Nismo exhaust that I bought online, and somebody cut off the resonator. Needs some repairs, gas leaks needs to be done, but I looked online, couldn't find a video that can show or test fit a 370Z Y pipe on a 350Z. So just gonna do a little video before I do an installation. Kind of hard to do with just one hand. And this is the OEM 370Z Y pipe, and this is the 350Z OEM cap. Been raining a lot here, so maybe in a week or two I'll try to install this on the actual vehicle. So I just got one cap to just test fit. Didn't want to put two on there, but it's pretty much where it sits. Flanges look like they match up pretty good on this side. Nismo mid this little flange is a little bigger, but I think that's how it works. Pipe is a little bigger on it. You can see maybe after the gas gets on, I won't get a gas leak. But opening right there. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm still gonna try it. But yeah, don't know what year this 370 Y pipe came off from, but to see how it works. Don't work, I can always take it off and try something else. But yeah, this is the first thing I'm gonna do after getting my Z running back to normal again. And we'll see what we can wait till next week. Let's see. Hopefully I get this on. Alright then. Till next time.